Hello everyone, good morning. I am Neelam, your art teacher. Today we are going to paint a pumpkin in an easy way. First we will draw an oval shape. It means two curved lines. When we connect these two curved lines, we'll get oval shape. But if you don't know how to draw the oval shape, just follow the step. Draw two circles like number 8 and then join them with the outer line and you will get the oval shape like this. Now join with the outer line and this is oval. So we'll use this oval shape in the pumpkin in the center part. We'll start from the center part. Like this. I already done the oval, and then on the left side and on the right side we will draw half oval. And again we will draw the half oval, but a little small than the first one, the second one. Now the main drawing of the pumpkin is ready. Now we will draw the green part, the stem of the oval, the pumpkin, and there will be a stem like a spiral. It's in the shape of spiral. And we will draw it like this. We will go upside and go down, and again we curve and make a spiral. Now we will outline the drawing of the pumpkin, and then we'll erase the whole pencil line. After erasing the pencil line, we will color with oil pastel colors, and for this pumpkin I'm using deep yellow color, orange color, brown color and the dark brown color. And in this pumpkin I'm showing the light is coming from the front, so the center part will be light, where light is falling, and the rest part will be darker. But the pumpkin shape is not even, so the parts which are embossed and coming out are lighter, and the part which is deep, where the light is not reaching, that is darker. So I use the yellow color on the lighter parts, and then I am using orange color on the dark side. Near the black line, black outline. And I will overlap the yellow color with orange color to blend them. You can use again yellow color to blend the orange color, but here I don't need that, so do the same thing with all the shapes, and then I use brown color. Same on the dark part. We are not doing anything on the light part now. We will shade the dark part, a little outline like with the brown color. Use brown color on the dark part where the light is not reaching. And after the brown color, I use dark brown color And here I am blending orange color with the brown color. And then we will use dark brown on the darker part to give a depth. And in this drawing we are not using black color because already we used black color for the outline, so we don't need any black color here. Just we are using dark brown color to give a dark shade. And now our pumpkin is ready. Now we'll color the green part. I'm using light green. Always use light color first because we can make dark the lighter color, but we can't make dark color lighter. And then after light green we use dark green on the sides, and we'll leave the center part light because light is coming from the front. And also here the shadow will not be visible because light is coming from the front, and the shadow will be forming at the back of the pumpkin, so it's not visible to us. Hope you like the drawing of pumpkin. You must try this drawing. Thank you.